Hey you guys, I'm coming back from the trade show here in Chicago. It's Saturday. Here I wanted to show you the versatility of the MP/XP. Here I have a Alpha Air 6. It's a microscope, a very fine microscope at that. As you can see, it's illuminating the field. However, there's an extra piece of equipment in between the microscope and the tube. It's the MP. So the MP can act as a barrier and as an aerosol extractor as you work with your microscope. And you can still get a clear field of vision with your microscope. So this piece of equipment really utilizes the dental space in a more efficient way so it can be more safer for everyone. So here you can see the microscope is actually going through the lens and producing a perfect image. This is the image you will see through the microscope. And then as you look here, this is the image you'll see with your naked eye. You can easily look through the microscope and you can easily look through with your eye and see what you need to do. So this is a one piece of equipment that you can use almost in every aspect of dentistry, even teledentistry. By putting this in different locations, now you expanded your reach and you gave access to care. If you have any more questions, please email us here. Also, you can shoot us a line or anything like that at info@airguard.com. Thanks again.
With a sleek design and a durable polycarbonate finish, offers precision four-corner spotlights and LED side strip lighting, eliminating the need for headlights and overhead lighting. Color temperature control allows dentists to perform many different procedures. This breakthrough technology gives dentists the ability to work safer with more precision. Blue light enables quicker curing of the epoxy material, and amber light allows longer work time. The most technologically advanced product, the AirGuard XP, shares the same impressive features as the AirGuard MP, along with the high-definition still and video camera with 8x zoom capabilities. The capability to record audio and video allows patients to review work and use for any insurance claims. Touch, zoom, and pan with ease. The combination of an ergonomic handle and a capacitive touchscreen allows for an intuitive, user-friendly experience. The technology is imminent and the protection is mandatory. This line of AirGuard products is the future of dentistry.